Welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to have a look at our red Mini. We've had this Mini kicking around for a good few years. So we've had a new rear quarter panel fitted. As you can see from the image, no glass in it, just a rolling shell. The bodywork's been done on that. You can see there's no doors, no glass, no lights, anything connected to it. Was going to go in for a spray job, but we decided to do it homebrew ourselves. So currently the car is connected up with a hand petrol tank in the boot, rubber line through the car with electric fuel pump to the carb to try and get it running. No windows, so that makes it quite easily accessible. The plan with this car is to make a Mk3 Cooper S look alike. So we're going to go for the 10-inch wheels, nice chrome bright work, more of a cafe racer, just something to buzz around in. So a little bit further on here, we've got a boot lid thrown on the rear glass going in. The passenger door is on, just slowly piecing it together. Chrome grille on the front, just bringing it back to be a complete car so we can move it back to our main garage. There's been investments in this Mini due to me selling up my classic BMX collection. Had some 80s Mongoose old school BMXs, so we sold those and put the cash into getting the Mini shell repaired. Solid all the way around. It is in grey primer, but that is a new panel on the back quarter. Seats are in, glass are coming together there. There is a new door to go on one side. I say new, refurbished. So we've got light clusters in the back. What we're doing here is we're putting the car back together again, trying to get it running so we can drive it back over to the main garage to work on it further. Got a battery in it with a battery booster there, looking to get the car started. The car hasn't started for many years. We're looking probably 8 to 10 years before this has run. So we've got a booster on it. I've changed the plugs in it. The points have been cleaned up. Trying to start it there. Giving it some gas, giving it some choke. Batteries on there. We'll keep trying, pulling. We tried to set the timing as well with the timing light. Sort of, we know that we're on there. If we can get this car to move, then we can look at brakes and everything. There's a standard exhaust just been thrown back onto it. There was no exhaust on the car when it was dropped off from the body shop. So yeah, put a standard manifold on the exhaust back on again. Yes, we've got a bit of life out of the car there. Yeah, we've got to run it now. Hold it to the ignition. I know we're running a bit cruddy, but yeah, start some runs. A few of the neighbours won't appreciate the smoke, but yeah, it hasn't run for quite some time. Yeah, start some now. Idles a little bit all over the place at 2000 there. This is the first run in a very long time. A little bit smoky. So the plan is to get rid of that jerry can. Make sure that the fuel system it's in good order, so we can run it without that gallon tank. A bit smoky there. We'll let it run and warm up, see if it'll come back around. Next picture is here. We've started the car, we've moved it back, but also you can see I've installed a 6x12 Superlight alloys on there. It's running. Now we're checking for lights. You can see the back lights on, making sure that it's roadworthy, all the lights work. Got the glasses in, so it's ready to move over to our garage in Accrington. Anyway, thanks for watching. The build on this Mini will continue. We've got some new parts ready for it. We've got the 10-inch disc set up ready to go on. Do we paint the roof black? Do we paint the roof white? Do we make it look like a rally car? Or do we keep on the theme of making it look like a Mk3 Cooper S? Post some comments and watch this space for more updates on our Red Mini. Thank you for watching.